Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my new Boxycharm unboxing. So if you would like to see what was in my box, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's open up this box. Oh, they changed it. Cool. So you can say that it has like the stuff in here and it tells you the stuff that's going to be in here. That's cool. So the first one that I'm looking here, it says it is the Pore No More cleanser from Dr. Brent. I'm not going to use this right now just because I have makeup on my face already, but Dr. Brent, so Dr. Brandt is amazing. I use all of their stuff. Whenever I have any of their stuff, I'm always using it because it is so good for my skin. I know it is, and like I can always feel it on my face. But yeah, this is the first one, and this is for $47. So this little guy is $47. So that's pretty awesome because that's already more than everything in the box. Alright, next in the box, it is from Colourpop. So this is going to be an eyeshadow palette. I do have a bunch of them. I don't think I have this one though. So this is the Element of Surprise one. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I'm sure I'm only going to be using all these like brown ones, but maybe I'll change it up. Probably not. So actually, let's just get started doing this right now. So I'm going to start with this color right here. It doesn't have names or anything, but I'm going to do this color right here, and then I'm using my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. Actually, no, I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to go and do this. This is the Brow Gal, and so this is a instant tinted brow gel. So I'm going to put this on because my eyebrows look like a mess right now. So, I'm just going to put this on. I haven't ever used this. So this eyebrow gel is $22. So let's see how this works. So I did not put anything for my eyebrows, so we're gonna see if I'm gonna have to change and put something in there because I just don't know if this is, I just don't know if it's gonna work. Let's just be honest. So I'm gonna brush through. Okay, I like it. Maybe if it could have been a little bit darker. I wonder if this is light 03, so I wonder if they have darker ones, because I think this is a little bit light for me. So I think if it was a little bit darker, I think I would have liked it a lot better, because I just think this is too light. And I do have like my wig on that's like pretty light, so I don't know. I think it needs to be a little bit darker. Yeah. So it definitely makes my eyebrows look more like natural. I'm going to go through and put this on. This is from Maybelline, and I'm just going to kind of make it more like defined for everything because I just feel like it's not defined enough. Like I think if it was like trying to be like a day where I don't have any makeup on, just like a tiny bit, like maybe I would use this, but for me it needs to be a little bit darker. Alright, so I'm going to go back in here and put this in my crease. And I thought this was going to be more neutral, but it's kind of more like red. So I think I'm going to go into this color right here, so it's a little bit not as like red here. And put it around right here. I love Colourpop's eyeshadows. They are like so pigmented, and I think they have really great colors. I think they're like really good. I think they're pretty close to like Anastasia. Like I really, really enjoy them, and I think they all blend really well. Like you can kind of see me now. I'm just like sitting here and blending it, and it's like, you know, like it's just slowly like blending. I don't know. I really like it. So I'm going to mix these next two colors right here and then below it here. And I'm going to put it on the outer corner right here. So for when I'm putting this up, I'm like patting it here. I'm not like swirling it here. I'm literally just patting just like this and kind of putting it where I want it, and then I'll go and get my blender and blend it more. Next, I'm going to go into this color right here. I'm going to show you. It's like this, like, I don't even know. It's like a purple, but it's very pretty. So I'm going to put this kind of like right here. And let's see how this goes. I don't know if I need to use Fist Plus, but I wanted to try it without. So I guess it's a little bit. I'm gonna try using the spray and see if that helps and see how this goes. And then I'm going to take the same colors right here, that darker part, and put it underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to stop about right here because I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top and putting it right here. And then just taking this one and then putting it all the way right here. Then I'm really smoking it out right here because I like to bring it really low. But you don't have to do that. So I'm going to quickly put some lashes on because they don't have those in the box. So I'm going to quickly put some lashes on and I will be right back. Alright, so I have my lashes on. I do not have any bronzer or anything on. So I'm going to put my MAC Refined Golden really quick so I can have some bronzer. One of my favorite bronzers, and then this is the Sigma Small Contour in F05, and I'm just going to contour. I love this bronzer. No, I just love all bronzer, to be honest, but this is like my favorite bronzer. I think I say this every time that I'm like doing a video with bronzer. I'm always like, this is my favorite bronzer. I love it. You guys are probably like, stop. I know. We know you love it. Have you guys used it yet? With me telling you it's amazing. My tan, I don't know what's going on, but it's like very bumpy. Not bumpy, but you can like see, I don't know what's going on. I need to go take it off. And I'm just going to put this here, and then I'm going to put my wig up here too so I can get it under here. And I'm going to quickly do my nose. This is my all-time favorite nose contour. This is the Cut Crease brush from Sigma. So I use this as my nose though. And this is the E62. E62. You need it if you like doing like contouring of your nose. It is so good. I love it. I can't stop using this. I need to get another one. I only have one, so I have to like bring it back to like here and then my like where I like over here. But this is not normally the color that I would use for my nose, but I'm lazy to go over there and go get it. So I'm just gonna put this on my nose. Because I feel like I've seen so many people use like different brushes that were like really thick. Like, let me see. I feel like a lot of people use, where is it? Yes, a lot of people use this. This is the Sigma E45, but it's just like, you know, like it's not like, doesn't like go. Like I can like blend for this, but like if I want to get it like really like defined of like right here, like I'll make sure it's like this brush because it's so like, I don't know. If you have not used it, I would highly recommend it. It's just like, I don't know. It's just good, okay? Alright, moving on, I have something from Tarte. I love Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Ooh, let's see, and it's the color of Stunner. Let's see. I don't think I've ever used this before. Ah, yay, I have never used these. Okay, so now it's like, do I use a brush? Do I use a beauty blender? Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm using. Okay, let's put it right here. Ooh. I love it. Okay, but I'm gonna put it on my hand and kind of like blend it in there because I don't want to use too much and then be like, sorry for ya, like there's nothing I can do about it. So let's put this here and let's see how it goes. Oh wow, it is so pretty. I know you can see it. Pretty. I think it dries pretty quickly though, so don't do what do what I did and don't put like both sides at once because that would just, it would be dumb. But wow, I love it. It is so glowy. Okay, so I love this for my nose. Look at the color. Put a little bit up here. But I highly recommend this. This one is really, really good, and I feel like this is gonna stay on for forever because it's like a liquid. But I really, 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 really like it. I think it looks really good. Look at my nose. All right, the last thing in the box is from Adesi, if that's what it said, I don't know. It is a liquid lipstick, so I'm not sure which color is coming out here. So I hope it's something that's gonna match the rest of the stuff on my face because that would be horrible if it was not. So of course there's like stuff on here. How am I gonna open this? Why is this always a problem? Oh, I have a, never mind, I found it. Let's just cut this. Oh, that was great. Good job, Courtney. Way to really cut. So I'm nervous to see what color is gonna be there. So let's do it slow. Oh, good. It's like a neutral. Yay. All right. So is it gonna be liquid lipstick or is it gonna be a gloss? Because a lot of people say that it's liquid lipstick and it's not. It's a gloss. So yeah, it's gonna be a gloss for sure. Yep, it's a gloss. It smells good. It smells like cake. It definitely smells like cake. Alright guys, so this is everything from the box. This is probably one of my favorite boxes for a while. This one, I feel like everything looks so good. The eyeshadows are so bomb. Like, I absolutely love them. Usually I like neutral, 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 but this I really, really like it. So for this is $29. The eyeshadow palette from Colourpop is $16. The one thing that we did not use is this guy, and this is $47. We have the eyebrow stuff, and this is $22. And then the liquid lipstick, but it's not liquid lipstick, it's a gloss. This was $24. So if you add it all up, this was like $130. So obviously, I don't know why I'm throwing around with this. This is not $130 for it. I will leave my link down below. It doesn't say that it is a coupon code or anything, but it will give you money off there once you like sign it, I think. But yeah, this box is one of my favorites. I just love the eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are so good. Colourpop always kills it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I will leave my link for Boxycharm down below. You guys would not regret it. Every single time I have Boxycharm, I love everything in there. I can't wait to try this bad boy here. So I'm super excited for this. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys so much, and bye.